Finally, 1 levels. Damn. Yeah, I think electrically low is her. Low? Okay, her. Okay, damn. Finally, 400 level and these things. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, let's buy it. Damn. Can you go mansion with 30 seconds? Shit then. What? Mansion? Wait. What is this means? Wait, home? Wait, what is mansions? Mans? What is mansions? Wait, is this mansions? Man, what the? Like loud now, it's damn. I didn't expect it's gonna happen like that. Yeah, damn. But yeah, damn. These times. Okay. Do you like that? Like low? Hey, Ado. 50,000. Bro, what the? Okay, okay. Wait, we need millions. Okay. I'll be back soon.
A few moments later.
Dance, bro. This is so deep. Okay. Finally, damn. Let's buy the electrically loud now. Okay, finally, guys, let's buy it. Wait, this is the guy. Yeah, let's buy it. What you like? Yeah, 50,000. Damn. Damn. Needed right tons.
Sino ba tuwang-tuwa ako nung napanood ko yung video ni Tito Mars. So, ang ginawa ko, pumunta ako ng Louis Vuitton para bumili.
Bibigay ako ng 1 milyon sa taga-Indo na makakatalo sa akin ng 1v1 dito mismo sa bansa nila.
Tatandaan nung Okay, sige. Susubukan na natin siyang ilagay.
Old lady, old lady. Lights up.
Sa lahat ng mga Blox Fruits players dyan, isa lang ang tanong natin kina Indra. Nasaan yung update? Sa lahat.
Pasintabi.
Oh my gosh! Open na yung shell! Open na yung shell niya! May water!
Magbibigay ako ng 1 milyon.
Wala na ata. Di guys, di
Akala ko talaga before.
alam nyo ba isang grad
Subukan mo naman pandesal at 3-in-1 kape. Almusalin ko, sausaw mo pandesal sa kape lang. Ayaw, di ma. Subukan.
Alright, so this is literally what I'm wearing right now is the most skill build that you could have.
Cause everything is never as it seems.
Copiou?
This is the most dangerous job on the planet. They earn $10,000 for each dive, but if they die, their family gets $2 million. Sewer divers risk their lives every time they go down. Picture this. They dive into dark, dirty waters, navigating through narrow tunnels filled with toxic gases. One wrong move, and they could drown, and it
Can you follow me, sir?
What is this?
Can you follow?
Especialmente pra mulher, sabe que representa pra mim que tu aguenta a chapada de balinha.
Sandam, sir. Pwede po magtanong, saan po yung bahay ni Kagawad Kunong?
Kanan, tapos kaliwa, dire-diretso.
Kanan, kaliwa, dire-diretso. Sir, pwede po magtanong? Saan po yung bahay ni... Magbibigay ako ng 1 milyon sa taga-Indo na makakatalo sa akin ng 1v1 dito mismo sa bansa nila.
Taga-share na ba yan? Oo. Ha? Tour! Kunin mo to ba? Uuwi na ako, may karpol pa ako. Tanggalin mo pala sa bag mo. Teacher, tingnan mo si Thor, linagay niya yung hammer sa bag ko.
Ay, wala man tayong magagawa niyan. Avenger man yan.
Kunin mo na to ba?
Buhatin mo yung hammer ko. Kung malakas ka, weak ka pala. Weak.
O at least hindi Odin yung pangalan ng tatay ko.
Thor, son of Odin. Odin man yun, hindi man yun Odin.
Thor! Kunin mo.
Always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you already know me.
Mamot. Mama, ako. Ama.
Hindi na nagawang lumapit pa ni Jay